Good morning. This is Todd Chambers from the National Weather Service in Billings with your weekly weather and hazards briefing for the week of March 16th. Here are the key points for this week's weather. Expect periods of strong wind gusts tonight through Tuesday for areas west of Billings. Accumulating mountain snow today through Tuesday night with 6 to 12 inches above 8,000 feet across area mountains. Scattered areas of light rain and snow are expected in the lower elevations tonight, with a slight chance of light freezing rain over southeast Montana. Much warmer temperatures are expected through next weekend, with temperatures in the 70s to possibly 80s from Wednesday through Saturday. A few record high temperatures may be broken during this period. Expect snow melt in the low elevations Tuesday and Wednesday with little to no impacts. Middle elevation snowpack Thursday through Saturday could bring increased runoff into small creeks and streams, resulting in some minor impacts. The combination of the warm temperatures and breezy conditions may bring elevated fire concerns Wednesday through Saturday, depending on how the snowmelt goes over the lower elevations during that period. Here's a table showing the basic overview for the week ahead. Note the moderate impacts for strong wind potential today and Tuesday, along with moderate mountain snowfall today. Minor impacts, mainly related to very warm temperatures, arrive for Thursday through Saturday. Periods of moderate snowfall are expected today into tonight over area mountains. 8 to 14 inches is possible over the highest terrain, mainly on west-facing slopes. Here is a look at the forecast strong wind gusts expected from tonight through Tuesday over areas mainly west of Billings. The strongest wind gusts are expected in the Livingston area and along the US 191 corridor from Big Timber to Harleton. For the rest of the area, Tuesday looks windy, but with much lower probabilities for strong wind gusts. Here are the probabilities of gusts over 50 miles per hour on Tuesday, which are mainly under 40% outside of the western foothills. Here is our temperature and precipitation tables for select locations across our forecast area. Record high temperatures Wednesday through Saturday are in the low to middle 70s. There are strong probabilities for temperatures breaking 80 degrees on Friday, a bit lower for Thursday and Saturday. Despite the recent wet snowfall across the area, the near record heat combined with a week of breezy to windy conditions will likely result in elevated fire weather conditions by Thursday, lasting into the weekend. Finally, as temperatures reach the 70s and 80s in the lower elevations, snow will begin to melt at an increasing rate in the mid elevations. This increased runoff will bring rises on smaller foothill streams and creeks and could bring minor impacts to foothills roadways as water works downhill. At this time, impacts are expected to be minor and flooding is not anticipated. In review, here are the key points for this week's weather. Periods of strong wind gusts expected tonight through Tuesday west of Billings. Accumulating mountain snow is expected today through Tuesday night. Scattered areas of light rain and snow expected in the lower elevations tonight, with a slight chance for light freezing rain over southeast Montana. Much warmer temperatures are expected through next weekend. Temperatures 70s to possibly 80s are expected Wednesday through Saturday, and a few record high temperatures may be broken. Elevated fire concerns are possible Wednesday through Saturday for a combination of very warm and breezy conditions. which may be tempered by recent widespread precipitation. We'll have to see how the lower elevation snowmelt goes during the week. This concludes the briefing for this week. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or concerns.